How you doing? How you doing, my people? The El Dorado FX Master Calvin FX. As you know, we are sponsored by Vantage FX. We are sponsored by PU Prime. If you want to join our brokers, join them and join also our Signal group so we can help you with guided entries and we can help you with the gold signals mostly. And we dedicate ourselves in El Dorado to do gold signals mostly. Sometimes we have other signals, but mainly we do gold. We're planning to put other currencies and all of that, but not for now. For now, we're focusing on gold. So, guys, if you want quality signals, just follow us in El Dorado FX. So I'm just gonna say this is a quick recap of yesterday. Remember that it was a couple ideas that we have on the table, especially that we are on this range, guys, and this range has been magnet. So today gold decided to stay below again the all-time high, going into the 4-hour supply and daily supply. This area right here is very strong, as I said yesterday. Reason why I was pointing to a move to the upside and then a move to the downside and get an entry around 2,506 area, between 2,506 and 6 in 2,500. And then the setup was completely right, the buy idea. So 2,506 and 15 was the buy idea, the SL 2,499. And as you see, guys, if you enter the whole idea, you benefit from a lot of pips. But this one alone, this setup gave over 130 pips, which was amazing. So congratulations if you made money with gold. So we're gonna go to a naked chart because there's a couple of things that we need to identify in gold to be able to keep to be able to keep going analyzing gold. This is also another chart that I analyzed ages ago, and this chart and this analysis gave 1,000 pips, and then gold reversed to the upside from 2,450. So, but it was amazing. But I'm gonna delete all of this. I'm gonna take all of this out because we just want to go to a quick analysis and guys to see basically where we are in gold. And it's no surprise what we see about gold refusing to go to the downside, because this is the trajectory. In the weekly time frame, we can see that gold is creating highs and highs. We can see that even though it tried to push down, it doesn't do it. It doesn't break out. It's been unable to break out this area for months. It's been trying, especially to this area here. These prices 2,279 and 2,294. There's been strong areas that it can't break. So reason why we see that gold keep trying to push up, push up. That's what it's doing. So every time that it's retracing, it looks like it want to come down, but it doesn't. So rather than that, it just go up. It just like take liquidity and go up. That's what it's doing. And that's what we see that the market is telling us, guys. So a couple of things to know about this area especially is that gold is being unable to go down, and also we see that at the moment the range that we are for wicks is this one, guys. We established that yesterday, but we're just gonna confirm on the weekly time frame so you guys have a better idea and understanding about what's going on, because that's what we want to know. What's going on? Go. What is the idea? What do you want to do? That's what we want to find out, because it's that simple. We want to know what's happening gold. So if we go to daily, we see that we have this consolidation. There's a big, massive consolidation started after this breakout to the upside, meaning that we're probably going to have the same move that we have down here. So if we go quickly and just establish those moves and those consolidation, those accumulations, we can see that gold, it will probably do the same, guys. Is that's as simple as that. So it's a pattern that is following right now of accumulation and bouncing back up. So that's basically what is happening day in, day out. It's been for weeks now, this consolidation right here since August, basically since the middle of August, so almost a month in this consolidation area. So we are developing the same symptoms here. So let's see what's going to happen because I want to see a proper breakout of this consolidation area, guys. That's what I wanted to see. I want to see gold breaking out because then that's going to give us the real idea about where we're going. So I want to see uh, gold breaking the all-time high and then come back and take liquidity, oh, again, and then keep flying. That's what I want to see in gold. I want to see that gold keep flying. That's my bias because gold is totally bullish. I want to be bullish, and the market is bullish. Despite that, I've been selling as well in the meantime because of the range. But we see that we can probably have the breakout again and then probably come back again, retest this area once again and keep flying. So this is one of the ideas. Or if not, as we say, probably after taking liquidity from above, we can probably retest once again this area down here. But if he goes again down here to 2,470 levels, most likely that gold can break out even deeper to this range area. So let's see what happened. But for now, these are the expectations. But I prefer this scenario. So go keep going to the trajectory where it's going. That's what I prefer. But in the scenario that gold try again and is unable to take the all-time high that was very close today, just around 20 pips to break it, then this scenario, our selling area will be all these areas. So all this will be our supply. Okay, so this area here will be the supply for selling. So that's what we're gonna be looking at. Okay, so this whole area will be the supply for selling. And then this whole area down here could be uh, our demand zone, basically, for buys. This is it's a massive one, but we need to observe the price, what it will do in this area. At the moment, today it looks like it's gonna close doji. So let's see what's gonna happen with the closing today, but a couple of scenarios that we can think of. So if we go, as I say, I'm trying to get into minimum 4 hours trades because as you know, guys, lower time frame can confuse you guys. That's the only thing I can tell. And I discovered that if we are especially in a sideways market, which is like this one that we have here, so we can find entries better or area to enter. Goals is better if you analyze it by zones and areas to enter. So this is basically our selling area at the moment until it breaks, but we always gonna check confirmations. That's what we're going to do. And at the moment, this is a massive buying area. So I know that every time that gold retrace, many buyers that will try to buy again. So that's what's going to happen. That's what I believe it will happen. So for now, what I'm thinking is if we have two scenarios and I'm going to give two ideas, one of them is a buy from, yeah, 2,405, and then we have our SL around, yeah, 2,499. That's it's a possible retest that we might get. Actually, 498 in this case. That would be our sell, and then we gonna point out to the entry price, just gonna close it down 2,505, and then we're gonna go to the TP 2,560 is the target that I've been targeting for all this time. So this is what I'm looking goal to do. Let's see what's gonna happen. So once again, we're gonna repeat the buy idea, sorry about that, buy idea, check confirmations from 2,505 to 2,500. So entry price 2,505, and then we go the SL 2,498. So this is basically what I'm thinking of goal and what I might can happen tomorrow, because especially that tomorrow we go core PPI. So PPI can give us a very good surprise. We got unemployment claims, so we got all the couple of news as well, but the high volatility news will be at 1:30 p.m. UK time. So guys, once again, this is set idea of buying, but we also have to think about in this kind of market that we are sideways, we need to be alert, guys, and we need to adapt. That's what we need to do, basically adapt to this market. So if we see a gain reaction here, this is will be sell setup that we might get as well, especially if we get a retest of today high, because today high at the moment is placed in 2,529. So meaning that for my view, you can take a sell entry and at least target 2,450. That would be the target, but the main target at the moment would be the end of the range. But in the case I decided to break out, you will see, you need to see for confirmations about that. So this is the buy idea, and now I'm gonna just try to give you a sell idea, which is basically, I think, once again, it will be my entry. If I get a sales confirmation, that the whole zone will be to the all-time high, but is this area 2,522 will be the supply area to 2,531. But I would like to take an entry in 2,528 in case I check for confirmations, and then all the way 2,450, that would be the profit, and then the SL in this case, so we're gonna go for 60 pips. So 2,400, sorry, 534 will be for the sell idea. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write it over here, guys, in case you want to check for confirmation. Sell idea, okay. Check confirmations. From 2,522 to 2,531. That would be our area, including the all-time high area. And then entry price, preferably, would be 2,528, SL 2,534. So this is the idea in case that gold decided to give us confirmation of the sell. So we have a sell setup, we have a buy setup, and that is the idea. We know, guys, we are on the sideways markets, but we saw all of that, we recap all of that, but we know that gold is very, very bullish. So just be on alert, guys. So we're gonna go to US30. We're not gonna say much again about US30, but the only thing I can say is, once again, if we're going in weekly, on US30. I'm gonna delete everything and start from zero because that already been a good move. We see that it took the previous daily low and then US30 is pushing up once again. But it's no surprise, guys. Look at this nice uptrend since November, since end of October last year. So it's been beautiful. We can use regression trend for us to check basically this nice, lovely uptrend on US30. We can see that even from down here. It's amazing, isn't it? It's beautiful, US30, how it's being moving up. So what we want on US30, I'm not gonna say much about US30 once again, but it's just that I'm feeling that it's gonna keep buying. We also, now that I see daily, we see that head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. We have the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder here, but then after that, it just went down. So I will wait probably tomorrow on US30 to get a retest of this area right here and probably get an entry from here targeting a new high. That's what that's what I would like to see on US30, at least targeting this area again, to retest it and then fly. That's what I want to see on US30, guys. So if you want to refine our and try to see an entry here, it would be great if we can find an entry on US30 around these prices. But as you can see, that's the idea. So retest and keep pushing up, or it's gonna basically straight away keep pushing up. But we're gonna see because tomorrow we got a lot of news that impact this US30 as well. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for if you've been until the end of the video. Remember that you can follow us in YouTube, and you can also follow us in our Telegram channel, join our community, click the link below, interact with us, and that's how it is. Okay, guys, take it easy and see you in the next forecast. Master Kelvin FX here, El Dorado FX, always to help you. Take it easy. Bye-bye.